Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dia and today actually I am here to talk about some of the new launches by Popxo, which is like a Myglamm brand. And जैसे मेरे पास है कि you can see like I have this lip gloss set which I love, ये मेरा favorite है. Then I have their liquid lipstick and then I also have their eyeliner set. Like there are two sets. I have got both of these and I also have like their small mini lip kit as well. I also have two shades of this. So yes, in today's video I will review about the products, talk about how the products are, and I also will swatch all of the products. And yes, if you haven't subscribed yet, I talk about makeup, skincare, lifestyle, vlogs, and if you like this type of content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And let's start with the eyeliner set. So as you can see, I have like both of the liners. So the first one I'm talking about is I Got You, and this is priced at 449 rupees, and like 449 for 3 eyeliners, I feel like that is like quite a nice deal, because like normal if you want to buy eyeliner, like obviously the quantity will be more, but anyway if you're getting three different types of three different colors in like a single 449 rupees. And also like Myglamm has like most of the time all of the discounts and everything. I think I have like some 60% off coupon as well. I will mention maybe in the description, so you will get 60% off on all the products. There is a minimum, I think 500 or something you have to purchase minimum. So yes, you can try out. So I would suggest definitely buy directly from Myglamm's website, but anyway I will link it everything down below. So these are the 3 eyeliners, and as you can see, these are like the quantities are quite small, which I feel like that is fine for the price that you pay. It is not bad, and each are of 3 ml. So these are like 3 ml products. And so the packaging, as you can see, there are like the colors, like say this is the green color, so it is written in green, this is black, and this is like brown color. So that is a very nice thing, because if you are keeping everything together in your vanity, you can see from the outside that what color it is, because there is no name mentioned in any of the eyeliners. And so today I am actually wearing the black one, and as you can see, this is quite nice. This is totally like smudge proof as well. Let me just swatch it on my hands right now. So this one is the green one, which is named as Go Green. Very nice like green color. Also the tip is like a this is not a felt tip liner, this is a normal like eyeliner, brush eyeliner, but again this is quite nice. As you can see, this is the green color. So if you want to use in a thin way, that also you can do, or you can use it in a thick way as well. You can see these are the 3 colors. So let me talk about this one. So this is the Issa Vibe. So it has like blue, red and pink. Let me swatch this too on my hands. These are the shades, and I absolutely love the blue one and the green one. Like I really like blue and green colors, but other than that, the brown one, the black that I'm wearing, even if you want to try some graphic eyeliner, there is like pink, red. This is definitely worth buying, and a big thumbs up from my end for this one. Next, let's talk about the liquid lipstick set. So as you can see, there are 3 colors. So this actually, there are like I think 3 or 4 different variants of this. So I got the one that has pink, brown and like the magenta one, which is the one that I'm wearing right now. So yes, this is priced at 499 rupees. Again like 500 rupees for 3 lipsticks, which are not bad. These are like 1.5 gram each, so this is like quite nice. And again like 60% off and everything, so you will get probably maybe at like what 200-250 rupees for 3 liquid lipsticks. And yes, so I definitely love this one. And yes, let me swatch. So the shade that I have, this is in the shade Glam Squad. So yes, these are the 3 shades. So my favorite, I think, will be the one in the middle, the magenta one. Even the maroon one is really nice. and the pink one is like a very bright pink color, but this is how it looks. These are totally like matte, and this is how it looks dried down. So the middle one, magenta, is definitely my favorite one, and I really like this one as well. The pink one is a little bit too bright, I would say, but if you like this kind of poppy pink color, definitely go for this one. And the best part about the lipstick, as I've shown, is this is like totally transfer proof, and this is totally matte. And one more thing, guys, like I have seen like most of the matte lipsticks are like really drying on the lips, but this is not like, it doesn't really feel, it does feel like I have something. It's not like it's very like, doesn't feel anything that I have my lips or anything, not all. Like for the price that you pay for $4.99 for 5 lipsticks, so I think this is like worth buying. And there are different shades as well. If you want me to try out and swatch different shades, you can mention that in the comment as well. And let's go to the next one. So the next one I'm talking about is my favorite from the whole bunch that I'm reviewing today. So this is the Popxo makeup collection lip gloss kit, and this is in the shade glazed. So I was not a lip gloss person at all. Like I think I had PTSD from that. In like our childhood, we had that Lakme lipstick lip gloss that used to stuck to our hair or something, but I hated lip gloss. But recently I thought, okay, let's try, and I am into lip gloss right now, because the formula like they are coming up with, the brands are coming up with for lip gloss are like really good. So yes, I definitely love this one. Each are 1.5 gram, which is really reasonable pricing for the 3 lip gloss that you have. These are the 3 colors, so I love all of the colors. So the first one is this pink. This is kind of like nude or brown shade, and this is a transparent gloss. And I'm also showing the swatches right now, and as you can see, the first one that I'm showing is the one named caramel. So as the name suggests, this has a very like light brown kind of tint to it, but it is not sticky at all, which is the like main thing that I love about this lip glosses. And the next one that I'm swatching is shortcake. So this you can use over any lipstick as well, because it doesn't have any color, or you can use it on your own if you just want a little bit of a glossy effect on your lips. So yes, this is the next one. And the last one is frosting, which is my favorite. So this has a very nice like pink tint to it, which I absolutely tinted lips. It might not show as much as it was showing in the swatches that I've showed, so just keep that in mind. But overall, if you want a very nice gloss which is not sticky, which is like very lightweight, and you can use it even on a daily basis, so and for the price that you pay, $3.99 plus there are like discounts and everything, this is like worth buying. I love today's video is about this. So I have a few more launches. Like I have this mini lip kit. I have 2 of the shades. I have some sunscreens as well, and there are some more products which are on the way from Myglamm. So if you want me to do that, you can definitely leave in the comments. But anyway, like I will do separate video on those as well, because it is like this video or else it will go too long. But yes, definitely that's it. I feel like for the price that you are paying, like Popxo Myglamm has launched some really great products. I love the eyeliners. You will get 3 different colors. The lipsticks are also very nice, and my favorite, as I've mentioned, is the gloss one. So you can definitely check it out. I will leave all the links and everything down in the description below, so वहाँ से check कर सकते हो आप. And if you haven't subscribed yet, definitely subscribe to my channel. If you have any more things for me to review, or like if you have any questions, you can leave that as well. Follow me on my Instagram, that is in the description box, and take care, guys. Bye.